One of my favorite meals from my Raw Challenge was this lasagna recipe that I'm getting ready to make for you right now. So first of all, what we're gonna do in a blender is we are going to add 1 cup of sun-dried tomatoes, and I went ahead and chopped those. You can use 1/4 of a beet, but I'm using the beet powder, and I am using 1 tablespoon, 1 green bell pepper, and I'm gonna go ahead and chop it up a little bit. First of all, I forgot to preface this with the fact that I'm making the spaghetti sauce from the spaghetti that I already have on my website. So this is what Tracy and I used on our first Raw week. And so that's gonna be the actual sauce on this lasagna. And I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of basil olive oil from my favorite company, Palmetto Olive Oil. Looks right to me. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my tomatoes, and it's 2 pounds of Campari. That's how you say it. And we're gonna do a sprig of basil, 1 tablespoon of dried basil, 3 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and chop that. 1 teaspoon, oh, I dropped my salt. 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Let's see if I can get the rest of this slid off of here. Yay! 1 teaspoon of oregano and 1 teaspoon of parsley. Already smells Italian in here. We're gonna get that all good and saucy. The sauce is good to go, and I need to put it in something else just because I have to use this for the cheese. All right, we're gonna set that to the side. Now it's time to make the cheese sauce. You can get this off of my website under the raw nacho recipe. I've already made this cheese sauce. Or you can go ahead and get your nutritional yeast, and you can read it right on the back of the package. And I highly recommend the Foods Alive brand because they have processed this correctly. So here we go. First, we're gonna use a cup of cashews, and then we're gonna put in our nutritional yeast, 1/2 of a red pepper. And here we have hemp seeds. We're gonna use 1/4 a cup of water. And this has sea salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. Not garlic salt, garlic powder. And now we're gonna use lemon juice, and I just use an entire lemon. All right, and now we're good to go. I'm just gonna blend that up. I'm gonna wipe down the sides. That's ready. I'm gonna clean up my mess real quick, and then we're gonna get ready to start cutting and layering our lasagna. Okay, I haven't used this much, so hopefully this works, and if not, we'll figure something else out. Okay, so we wanna slice this so that it's perfect so we can get it to layer like a lasagna pasta. That looks right. We're gonna try it. If not, then I can change the setting. Mine's on a 2. So we're just gonna. I wanna do 4 layers, so we'll just, we're gonna cut these in half. Okay, there's that. Now we'll do the next one. Go ahead and cut off the ends. 2 might be enough for 2 servings. So I like it, I like it, I like it like this. Okay, I'm gonna be careful. Last one. And then I'm going to take the tomatoes and I'm going to cut them in half because they're going to be easier to work with and easier to place on the lasagna. For another layer, we are going to have spinach, and so I've already put a little bit of olive oil on here and massaged it with my hands. We are also using a little bit of pesto, basil pesto. I wish I would have made this, but we don't have time for that today. So while we were at the grocery store, we picked up the cleanest one that we could find. Our bottom layer is going to be the zucchini. And I'm gonna guess they did it crisscross. Next, I am going to add the spinach. Now I'm going to do a layer of pesto. Go ahead and add some tomatoes. And now another layer of zucchini, and this time I'm just going to do one because it doesn't need as much support. A little bit more basil. And now I'm going to do some of the cheese. Another tomato, and I'm going to add my spaghetti sauce. And let me grab my basil leaves for the top. Do a little bit of the spaghetti sauce right there. Basil 1 and 2, and now I'm going to see what I can do with this cucumber. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna get rid of that. At the edge, like button it up. We gotta button it up. There, that works. That works. Moment of truth. It's like, where do I start?
I know, I was looking to see how you were gonna cut your...
This is a big old bite. I'm gonna have to cut this in half.
Not even really missing the pasta.
It's delicious. I love the different textures. We have to cheers.
Oh yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in my channel. And I just ask if you would like and subscribe for more. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. If you try this, let me know how you liked it. You guys have a great day.